Question for you. How confident are you in your writing skills? For most people, the answer tends to be not very, which is shocking when you think about how much writing we all do each day, and how important much of that writing is. My name is Mike, and I've been an English teacher for more than 20 years. I'm also the author of a handful of published short stories, and I've worked as a freelance content writer for more than 15 years. The process I'm going to show you in this course is what has allowed me to write 1,500 to 3,000 words of solid professional prose on a wide range of topics, day after day for many years. Now, you may have no interest in churning out written content as a job. It's certainly not everyone's cup of tea. Or coffee. But it's surprising how much writing every one of us actually does on a regular basis. Students write essays and the like in every class, every subject, from junior high all the way through university or trade school. If you work in an office, you're dealing with emails, memos, proposals, reports. Most professional communication happens in writing. For creatives, if you hope to make a living from your work, you'll need to do marketing, communicate with clients, and manage your social media accounts. We are always writing something. Writing anything important can seem like a daunting task. There are very few things in life more intimidating than a blank page. And sitting down to write can feel like sitting down to try and eat an elephant. You know how to eat an elephant, right? One bite at a time. Luckily, the writing process is made up of several bite-sized steps that move from start to finish in a more or less straight line. And regardless of the type of writing, those steps are largely the same. We start by generating as many ideas as possible and selecting the best ones to use. We organize those ideas into some sort of sensible outline and then turn each item in the outline into a sentence or two, making the first draft almost effortless to create. Once we have a first draft, all that's left is revision and then formatting. In this course, I'll show you each of those steps from start to finish, and you'll put them to use in the class project by writing a short essay. Oh, and don't worry, I'll be right there doing the same steps and writing my own essay alongside you. By the time we're done, you'll be comfortable writing pretty much anything you'll ever need to write. Learning these steps will help you to write more efficiently and more effectively, using less time to express your ideas more accurately and clearly than ever before. Let's get started.